Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Myself, Sandeep Adari. So, we have an exciting news today, my dear students. Sir, can you please elaborate that?
Yes, sir. So I hope all of you thoroughly prepared for the coming GATE SSC JE exam in the next month, right? So whatever the leftover days are there, very limited days are there. So in these days, what you have to do and what you should not do, it is very important. And whoever writing SSC JE in the next month, whoever writing in CE or mechanical or electrical, for all the aspirants, this particular session is going to help a lot. Okay, so before going to start today's session, so I am going to give two important updates for all of you, right? Yeah, first of all, whoever visiting our YouTube channel very first time, so all of you kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting instant notifications whenever we are doing the upcoming live sessions or any video when we are uploading in our YouTube channel. You won't miss even single video, right? And all of you kindly like and share this video link with all of your friends so that for all the like SSC JE aspirants who are writing this exam in the next month, all those students are getting benefited from this particular session, right? Yeah, good evening Matan, good evening Thiru, good evening one and all. So one more important update, so that is our Telegram channel. So regarding our IMS Gate Academy Telegram channel, link is already provided in this description of this particular video. So just like currently one live session is happening, in a similar way, whenever upcoming live sessions are happening, so all the schedules, okay, you will be getting the updates in our Telegram channel. And whatever faculties might be writing during our live classes, the lecture notes we will be sharing in the PDF form. That PDFs also we are sharing in the same Telegram channel, right? And similarly, whenever we are conducting any webinar or seminar, all those important updates you are getting in this Telegram channel. And in addition to that, okay, so all the PSU job updates and government job notifications, all those updates also you are getting in our Telegram channel. And not but not the least, on daily basis, all our faculties, we are going to upload one quiz question in our Telegram channel. So all of you can actively participate in that quiz and you can check your answer key and you can check your confidence also regarding that particular concept or question. The very next day, our faculty will provide the solution for that quiz question. In that way, you are getting one great opportunity on daily basis. You are learning one quiz question, right? So this is one of all these features you are getting for free of cost. All of you can kindly join our Telegram channel if you not yet joined. Okay, so I hope all of you are eagerly waiting for this session. So I am okay, so I am just informing Sandeep sir to disclose regarding our today's session.
So, students, you might be excited to know why we are starting SSC JE sessions. So, there are so many students who are already preparing for GATE exam and how best you can utilize this session if you are writing SSC JE. Remember, my dear students, SSC JE is an exam where you will have two question papers like part A and part B. So, in this, you will have technical and also non-technical part. Non-technical part in the sense aptitude. So, let me tell you very few things which is how SSC JE exam is different from GATE. Now, in GATE exam, let me tell you, my dear students, more in GATE exam, you will see application-oriented questions and it will be like problem solving. But in SSC JE, you will have a lot of memory-based questions. In addition to this, your speed and accuracy is well measured in SSC JE. So, how can you be speed and accuracy is only the solution will be practice. So, to help the GATE students who are preparing for SSC JE also, we have initiated this session. You name civil engineering, I will be starting geotechnical. And if you talk about mechanical engineering, we have the most experienced mentor, Mr. Prajna Tripathi sir. He will be handling fluid mechanics. And we also have JP sir, and he will be handling networks. So, my dear students, it is the opportunity to utilize the classes which will be published in our YouTube channel in the video recorded format, and you can practice And let me tell you, all these sessions are recorded. Just click on the video tab in the YouTube channel, and you will be getting access to this. And the videos will be published alternate days, and you will be seeing the videos for each subject, 5 videos. Now let me tell you how we are different from the, like, how the SSC JE exam is different from GATE exam. See students, in GATE exam, if you are reading some subjects, you will be having the problem solving of previous year GATE questions and all. But in SSC JE, you have to prioritize. Like, if we have different subjects in civil engineering, if you talk about different subjects in civil engineering, we have reinforced cement concrete, soil mechanics, transportation, foundation engineering, or you can talk about steel structures and all this. But in SSC JE, in addition to the subjects related to GATE, there are some 2 additional subjects. Like, we have cost and estimation, and building materials is also there in, but you will have more importance. If you talk about SSC JE kind of things, sir, definitely the building materials will have more weightage. You have to understand these things. Now, one second. See students, let me tell you about the SSC JE exam now. See students, as you have already applied for the exam, you will be on the last phase. You will be in the, see, for any exam to be successful, you have to learn, practice and test. And it is the time for testing yourself. So when we have uploaded the videos, just like the videos. If it is really helpful for you, you can share these videos. So my dear students, the 2 exams, whatever the tentative dates, they have given 4 to 6. And remember, it is completely a computer based test. And let me tell you, your calculation should be very fast. Now, small things in SSC JE, let me tell you, my dear students, if suppose 1/3 of 33, you can say, I'll tell you how the calculations. You have to learn the fractions from 1 to 10, like 1/2, 0.5, 1/7, 0.142, 1/8, 0.125. Why, I'll tell you. Suppose if they've given 0.125 into 96, definitely it will be 12. How do you know this? If your calculation is very fast. There is no calculator allowed, so give importance to the calculation. Now coming to the exam, so my dear students, in the part A, if you talk, there is a general intelligence and reasoning, and in the part C, there is general awareness also. We have 50 questions, 50 marks, and the non-technical part is 100 questions, 100 marks, and you will have civil engineering questions also, or electrical question, or mechanical questions based on your respective branch. There you will have 100 questions, 100 marks. So the first paper will consist of 200 questions, 200 marks. Remember the time duration, my dear students. Time is very less. See, less than a minute we have almost 40 seconds you will have for each question. So your fast and furious will definitely have the higher advantage, and this can be achieved only through calculations, doing very fast and memory based. And the third one I will tell you, make as much practice as you can in these 15 days. In addition to this, for every civil part B, we have paper 2 for every respective branches in civil, mechanical and electrical. You will have 100 questions and the marks will be for 300 marks. So total you are attempting for 500 marks, and definitely you will have the advantage when you are planning in a proper way. Now coming to the subject, I will be covering mostly the soil mechanics. I'll be releasing the videos on soil mechanics. So what are the topics in soil mechanics? You name properties of soil. Any branch, any exam, GATE exam, RRB, SSC JE, you'll definitely find a question from origin of soils. And after that, soil structures, index properties, permeability, seepage analysis, effective stress, consolidation, shear strength, earth pressure, compaction, and you name the foundation bearing capacity. So I'll be covering all the questions from this. And remember, my dear students, whatever I am delivering on geotech, I'll be covering in 5 sessions, Amma. I'll be covering 125 questions. And remember, the thing is that I'll be focusing on the concepts behind it also, which areas you have to focus. So remember, all the motto of these sessions are very quite simple. We have to add a value addition to the students who are preparing for GATE. So if they get almost 80% syllabus is same as SSC. Like if you see SSC JE syllabus, 80 to 90% is similar as GATE. But here the one is calculation, and you should be memory based, and you have to be fast. To have to do this practice in these 15 days, these videos might be helpful for you, and these videos will help you to secure good marks. Now, my dear students, sir, we have JP sir. He is an experienced faculty for networks theory, and he'll be handling the electrical concepts of networks. So he'll be elaboratingly explain you what he is going to take. And definitely, my dear students, it's my sincere advice to you. If JP sir is uploading the questions on network, try to attend these sessions, because these sessions will add value addition in your preparation for SSC JE. And it's my promise. And you can comment in the video recorded lectures. How do you feel about the lectures? Thank you, sir. You can comment.
Yeah, thank you, Sandeep sir. So before I'm going to disclose whatever the topic that I'm going to record in the upcoming videos, okay. So before that, just I would like to add few points. So regarding the exam, for the points which Sandeep sir already added great values, okay, great points. And in addition to that, just I'm going to add two important tips at this particular moment. So especially when you are attempting the paper during the exam time, so in the paper 1 and paper 2, both the exams you're having 2 hours duration, right? So in the 2 hours duration, you have to attempt 200 questions you have to attempt, right? So in the GATE exam, you're having 65 questions, 3 hours time. That means on average, every question you're getting 3 minutes of time, but here you're having very less time. And in fact, in SSC JE, most of the questions you'll be getting like theoretical or simple calculation based. But whatever the calculation required, that you can do mind level, and even if you're observing the given circuit, from that if you're taking the data and if you're doing the calculation less time, then with the help of that you can able to attempt more number of questions in less time. That's why my sincere suggestion for all the students whoever want to get very good marks in the upcoming SSC JE exam in the next month, right? So every question, whenever you are looking at a question, you can decide after reading the question whether you can solve or not. If you can solve, immediately you can solve. If you feel that it may take time, then hold that question, then move on to the next question. Because as Sandeep sir already told, for every question on average you are getting less than 40 seconds if you are counting 200 questions, right? So that's why if you are not well managing the given time, later you may feel regret after the exam over, because whatever the dead easy questions, you can easily attempt those questions in the given time, but somehow or other if you couldn't get even single time to visit or to see those questions, right? So to avoid such kind of regrets, okay, so for all of them I am recommending that whichever questions you can solve in less time, you can, after reading the question, you can just attempt it, okay? And like that you are getting one opportunity to have a look at all the questions one time. After that, whichever questions are taking a little bit more time, you can try those questions. In that manner, even if you are leaving some questions because you haven't thoroughly prepared those concepts or questions related, no issue at all. Okay, but at least from your side, you have put your 100%. So there is no regret at all after you have attempted the exam. Okay, and one more important update, especially for these 15 days just before your exam, right? So ideally by this time all the subjects whatever is there as per the syllabus, right? So you're having general intelligence, general awareness, and then core subjects, right? So all those subjects by this time ideally you should have completed your preparation. But even if you feel, sir, some more technical subjects still pending, like that if you feel, at max within upcoming 3 days or 4 days, try to finish whichever subjects you are familiar but somehow that you haven't done any revision recently, okay? So only those selected subjects you can do. Otherwise, whatever you have studied till now, okay, regarding SSC JE syllabus, do as much revision as possible. As I mentioned earlier, most of the questions you are going to get theoretical or simple calculation based. So whatever you might have prepared for GATE, okay, so just observe the common syllabus with respect to SSC JE and GATE, and whoever sincerely prepared for GATE but somehow that you couldn't get very good rank in the GATE exam, okay, but at least with the help of SSC JE exam, you can get whatever the desired rank you want to get with the help of SSC JE exam. So just go through all the synopsis, important points and formulas, and then if you are having some time, just like Sandeep sir told, okay, you try to solve one more questions of the GATE, okay, GATE PYQs. If you want, you can just practice one more questions, okay? In this way, you are getting the ability, and try to attempt those 1 mark questions also without using pen and paper, so that you are getting good command. Definitely you are habituated in the given time, in the actual time, in order to perform well. Okay, so I hope these suggestions all of you will sincerely will follow, and I am expecting that all of you can get very good marks in the upcoming SSC JE exam in the next month, right? So now I would like to tell with respect to electrical paper. So these are the subjects, okay? So these are the subjects common with respect to SSC JE and electrical. So all of you must and should thoroughly prepare whatever I have mentioned regarding synopsis, important points and formulas, everything for all these subjects must and should do. And after that, whatever extra subjects you are having regarding technical, if you are comfortable, you can do it. Otherwise, if you are not that much strong, you can leave it. But regarding general intelligence and general awareness, that whatever you have done, and you assume that whatever the preparation till now, whatever you have done, first and foremost, you assume that whatever the preparation you have done, that is more than sufficient for your coming SSCJ exam. The moment you have fixed it like that, if you are confident, no matter, even if some out of box question come, or even if you are reading very first time in the actual exam time, but you are getting the ability to attempt, and in fact you can get the correct answer. Because once if you are confident, that confidence will drive you in order to achieve your success. Okay, and in addition to that, just so here at our IMS Gate Academy, regarding network theory subject, I am going to record total 125 previous year questions. Okay, so all of you are getting great opportunity, whatever in the upcoming 15 days. Okay, these 15 days, whatever the tips I and Sandeep sir has given, so all of you kindly follow those tips. And in addition to that, here from our IMS Gate Academy, regarding network theory subject, you are getting total 125 questions. So all of you can kindly practice so that you are getting the confidence from this particular subject. Okay, just now only I have seen the last year like SSC JE one paper. So I was able to find out from network theory subject only around 20 questions are there. So that means it is giving huge weightage for you, right? So once if you are able to solve network theory subject questions easily, after that, like whatever the other subjects you're having, like measurements, electrical machines, power system, basic electronics, that you have prepared for the gate, okay, with that ability you can practice the questions. As I mentioned regarding the gate, you can try to attempt the 1 mark questions without using pen and paper. With this practice, you can easily attempt the SSC JE questions in the given time effectively. That is the most important, right? Right. Yeah. So just I would like to ask Sandeep sir, so because we have covered with respect to civil and with respect to electrical, so I hope mechanical students are eagerly waiting for from our institute what we are going
Sir,
to
actually,
help them.
Pragna Tripathi sir will be handling fluid mechanics and ATD, applied thermodynamics also. He'll be also handling 125 questions around, and he'll be doing in 5 sessions. Remember, the beauty of these sessions is to brush up your knowledge. Remember, and one more important thing, see students, you will be facing some difficulty, especially in fluid mechanics. Let me tell you, Pragna Tripathi sir is very efficient and a very experienced mentor, especially in fluid domain. So these sessions will definitely help you both for civil and mechanical engineering to brush up their fluid to the maximum extent. Now, my dear students, whenever you are preparing for SSC JE, as JP sir told, remember for every chapter, please go through the synopsis, or you can say chapter overview points or summary points. And once your summary points are good, and after that go through the formula sheet for every subject. And these, because most of the questions in SSC JE are memory based, because, and remember, as I told earlier also, calculation should be very fast. And now, my dear students, it is the time only to revise and self motivated and stay your health safely, because it is not the time to start new subjects. Whatever you have done preparation until now, it is more than sufficient. And you have to be, as JP sir also told, you have to be self confident. And if you want to learn some topic, you have left some subjects like like transportation in civil engineering, just go through the overview, just go through the synopsis, like what is geometric design, what is stopping side distance, what is the overtaking side distance, what is super elevation, what is the length of summit curve, what is length of transition curves. Like that, in the formula wise, definitely it will help you. Sir, any question? Sir, what's his name, sir? Okay, sir, only one subject, sir. Actually, we are taking only one subject, see, students. See, actually, the initiation came just to brush up. Actually, it is for these sessions will help for the students who have done the preparation for GATE only. And in the last 1 month or 2 months, they are giving the exam for SSC JE also. We have just, because based on the requests received from the students, we have initiated this program, and we will see if we have a good response from the students. We'll be doing more and more videos and more subjects, Nikhil sir. Okay, so my dear students, see, let me tell you another important thing, sir. If you utilize this opportunity and if you request for more and more subjects, definitely we at IMS Gate Academy will help the students for their brighter success and better future. Sir, you can add something.
Yes. Yeah, for Nirmal, just I'm adding one point. So for the time being, we are doing for one subject, but if you are already having exercise book questions of our institute or GATE previous year question papers, etc. So for other subjects, you can practice the questions from there. Okay, but at least from our institute, we are helping the students, as Sandeep sir told, based on the request we are doing. At least if you are confident in one subject, so similarly you can do whatever. See, at this point of time, if you're opening new books, okay, so the moment you start reading new things, whatever you have studied up to till yesterday, that entire thing gone, right? So that's why don't start studying new thing. But whatever we are doing here, we are recording the previous year questions. So that means you are getting the practice, right? Practice wise, you can solve the new questions, no problem. But revision wise, whatever the notes with you, that much you can do it. Okay, right? And so regarding our Telegram channel, so I hope I have already given the update initially. So all of you kindly join our Telegram channel if you not yet joined. So even you can share this valuable information to all of your friends and juniors, so that whatever, see, it's not that you are preparing only for GATE. Okay, whatever you are preparing for GATE, with the help of that, 80% of the syllabus more or less is common for all other competitive exams. So it is going to help you. So that's why you can share this valuable information with all of your friends and juniors, so that everyone can get benefited from our Telegram channel, right? Okay, so now I would like to invite Sandeep sir to discuss about our live online program.
Thank you, sir. Now, my dear students, first of all, let me tell you what we do at IMS Gate Academy. Sir, we at IMS Gate Academy offers online gate coaching, and also we offer offline gate coaching at Jainagar and also at Malleshwaram. We are offering offline gate coaching even at Vijayawada. Now, my dear students, what we do regarding the material, we provide subject-wise materials, and remember, we also provide exercise book. In this exercise book, we cover level 1, level 2, level 3 questions. And remember, my dear students, for the students who are preparing for SSC JE, these level 1 questions will have value addition. And remember, these will be some of the previous year SSC JE questions also might be published in level 1 questions of exercise book. And remember, we are providing an extraordinary premium product, that is GATE question booklet with 34 years of previous year GATE solutions. And we are providing the key pointers for each solution. We are providing the alternative solutions. And remember, my dear students, for the difficult level questions, we are providing the QR code through which you can see the recorded videos of that particular question. In addition to this, my dear students, you have to test yourself at every juncture. So we have provided 130 plus. After chapter completed, you will solve with chapter test. After subject completed, you will be going with subject test. And we have advanced level test, multiple subject test, and the most important thing we are providing is the all India mock test, which will be a replica of the GATE environment. And remember, my dear students, related to the mentorship sessions and doubt solving portal, JP sir we can add.
Yes. So here at our IMS Gate Academy, for all our faculties, okay, as Sandeep sir told, all our faculties will discuss each and every concept from the basic level to the application level. And since all our faculties are experienced, definitely we will be presenting each and every concept in our classes. As long as our students are attending classes, whatever the doubts they might be having, all our faculties will clear even before they are asking the doubts. But in fact, actually the doubt in the student mind can raise when they start solving the questions from exercise book or GATE question bank, any new question. Okay, so that time they no need to wait for the faculty. Okay, when they are coming in future, they can ask. Okay, say for example, today they are getting some doubt, they can immediately take the screenshot of that question and they can post in the LMS doubts portal. We are having dedicated portal. All the students, whenever they are getting any doubt, they can just take the screenshot of the question and they can upload. All our faculties within 1 day or at max 2 days, all our faculties, the respective doubts will be resolved. Okay, so we used to take doubt solving is the one of the priority task for all our faculties. Okay, because like with respect to teaching, whatever the priority is there, it is the doubt solving also having the equal priority, because each and every student, whatever the doubts they are having, if their doubts are clarified, whatever the preparation they are doing, they can do in a smooth way, and in fact they can like the subject and they can enjoy while they are doing the preparation, right? Okay, sir.
So, students, it is the time to brush up your things. So, don't try to learn new subjects now. It is the time to revise. So, please concentrate on the subjects which are having high weightage like geotechnical, transportation, environmental, strength of materials, building materials, and cost and estimation in civil engineering. And if you talk in mechanical, you should give high priority to fluid, solid, so like strength of materials, and also like you can say production and thermal. Sir, could you add in this the weightage of the subjects for electrical?
Electrical subjects, like whatever I have mentioned earlier, the common subjects for SSC JE and GATE that you can focus, like network theory, then measurements, electrical machines, power system. And after that, basic electronics. Basic electronics, like whatever the concepts are there from EDC or analog regarding the transistors or electronic components, the basic components. If you're having command, then you can focus. Otherwise, basic electronics, you can keep low weightage, low priority like that.
Sir, one more good thing I would like to tell you students, it is a exam, this exam is eligible for diploma students also. So that is the reason I'm telling you, you more focus on the synopsis and the summary part wherever you have, because the standards will be like very less when compared to the gate exam, but it will be competitive, it will be like you have to be fast. These points please keep in mind, and we are eagerly excited to share our videos within a couple of days. Thank you and all the best.
Yeah, thank you everyone. So like and share this video link to all of your friends, and whoever not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, so kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whatever the upcoming videos are there, you won't miss even single video. All of you will get benefited from our YouTube channel.